Hi, so today is hopefully the day when I'm finally getting my watch serviced at Cartier. I'm gonna take you with me. Let's hope it's a Thursday during the week, so let's hope there's no queue outside. My daughter is not allowed to go to daycare. She had a fever a few days ago, and they have a cool-off period where she cannot go for several days. She's not absolutely fit, but she's still not allowed to go. So I had to take time off from work because I cannot work with her around. And so I thought instead of completely wasting the day, then at least I'm gonna give it a try with Cartier. Cross your fingers for me. I'm gonna take you with me anyway. And yeah, I threw on this little cardigan. I found it. It's an old one from Zara. I like the slit on the sleeves. The button detail is also very cute. So I put also little pearl earrings to match it. No necklace today. I don't know. It was not a necklace day. Trusty Levi's 501 jean. And some my Tory Burch black booties. And I'm still wearing Christmas socks. I know it's silly, but I don't know. No one will see it. I'm the only one knowing it. But I like to wear silly socks sometimes. I don't know. I know I should probably grow up. Whatever. So yeah, let's get going. So that's the outfit. I took that bag, put a little scarf, got my watch. Let's hope they can do something for it today. And let's see. This is our beautiful Munich, sadly under the rain. I'm on my way to Cartier. It's in the old city or close to it, so at least the walk is pretty nice. So I'm passing Chanel and there are a few people, but there's not really queue. They're actually entering immediately, so this gives me hope. Let's see, you're gonna find out with me. I'm now under this little roof, this protected area. There is a car coming. Yeah, sorry, ambulances are so loud. Now we are passing by Hermes. Beautiful things. Does not seem to be so many people yet, and I'm gonna leave the covered area. It's windy, it's rainy. If there's queue at Cartier, I'm immediately turning around. Let's find out. They're not so far away. I will have to pick my umbrella, but so far it looks quite good. Let me turn the camera. Cartier is a bit further in the street at the next corner, and I don't see anyone outside. I like where this little blue truck is walking by, is crossing, and I don't see anyone queuing. So guys, it looks good, guys. We arrived, and look, there's no queue. That's the guy to let us enter. So good news, I could immediately come here and see it the way, or I'm waiting for someone to come now to have a look. And good news, I did not have to wait or anything. There's not a lot of people, so yeah, success. And by the way, I'm gonna show you how pretty the place where I'm waiting is. Look at these ceilings. The lights are also so pretty, and this drawing. There's this cute little mirror. Hi. The lights, it's all very, very, very pretty. And the chairs also, I love the chairs. Hi, so I'm coming for a short update because I received the letter from Cartier. And so I dropped my watch, as you could see. By the way, I will just give you a little feedback. It was actually a very good experience. I was very happy. So I went on a Thursday morning, no queue. The shop was almost empty, so I had to wait a bit inside. But as you could see, they let me wait in a lovely place, actually. Then checked what I needed, then offered me something to drink. And yeah, so in between, while I was waiting, I had time. And so they took the watch, said they need to have first... do like a first little checking. Maybe they can like solve the problem right away. It was very funny because at the beginning he explained to me that it's a mechanical watch. So, you know, like, did you? And I was like, yeah, I know, I have it since a few years. I tried that. I even wore it while going for a little run with my son. So yeah, it had enough movement, and also it slowly stopped moving. So I don't think it's really necessarily about that. And then he said, okay, he still gave it a try. Obviously did not change much. And then he said they have like a little device there in the back of the shop where they can, and then he used some German words that I did not understand because my German vocabulary, I mean, I speak quite good German, but, you know, it's a very specific vocabulary to the watch world, and I don't know all the words. So I was a bit like, no, I did not understand what you just said. I'm sorry. And so then he was laughing. It was really nice. And And then he explained to me with like a kind of a comparison, and he said they have like a little device to hear inside the watch, a bit like you will hear the heart beating, and it allows them to hear how the mechanism inside is moving and to see how the issue could be. And so yeah, so he went away for a bit time, and then he came back. He told me that yeah, indeed, it does not sound good at all. So they will need to set it for checking to their to the service area, and that they were not there today, and so that I could leave the watch with them if I wanted, and then they can send it and again have it checked, and then they will give me. I will receive an email with a cost estimation for the reparation, and then I can approve it online if I want to proceed with the reparation, because yeah, my watch is not under guarantee anymore. I have it since 4 years, and I think the guarantee was only 2 years. So yeah, it's not the first time also I had an issue. The first time I broke the glass on it, it was a bit more than 2 years ago, and they repaired it for free. But now this time it's not under guarantee anymore, sadly. And yeah, so I got the email, tried clicking on the link, and it was not working. I was getting this fear zero fear. This is German. Fear null fear. I made a weird mix of languages. Sorry. 404. Like site not found. So I was like, oh crap. Maybe I need to. I did not have really registered an account with them yet. So I thought, okay, I need to register an account. And this brings me to a very important information. If you ever buy a watch from Cartier, or you have one and you have it since less than the expiring time of the guarantee. If you go on their website and you create yourself an account and you register your watch, it's very easy. You just have to look at the little card they gave you with it, and there's the serial number, and so you just do that. You register your watch, and then you get an extension of the guarantee, and your watch is covered for 8 years, which is really, really good, because 8 years is really a good time, and 1 or 2 years is a bit short. And I wish I had knew and I had done it, because then I guess my reparation now would have been for free, which it is not, because my guarantee has already expired, so I cannot prolong it. You can do it as long as your initial guarantee has not expired. Because yeah, so I got this letter. Luckily, it arrived, I think, the email I got on the same day, then I think on the evening, so I went on the morning for the watch. No, I got it the day after, sorry. I got it the day after the email. It did not work. And then one day again after, I got this letter. So I was like, oh, because I had not had the time to call the shop to ask what's up with the website. It's not working. And let me see. So it's the first part. I want just to hide the critical information. So it's in German. They give a summary of the issue, and they say, yeah, I don't know exactly, I don't understand again the German word about this horology thing, but yeah, it says it's a complete service. They have to change something apparently inside, make some other things, and they also do a little cleaning, also like removing some scratches and so on, which are normal due to wear and tear. This is like complementary with it. And then the second page, luckily, so here I can on the back I can like sign it and send them back this page to confirm also that I'm willing to proceed. And let me hide. I don't know if you will be able to see that let me see if you can see that the price. I mean, it looks probably reversed for you. It's 495 euro, almost 500 euro. So yeah, happy me. Happy me. But yeah, I mean, it's like this. That's also one thing you should always bear in mind when you buy luxury stuff. They're expensive when you buy them, but they're also expensive to be maintained. If something breaks, it will be more expensive to repair it. This is just how it is, and it is like that in the wide category of things. I know with cars, for example, it's exactly the same. I remember I had a very old Ford. Changing the tires was costing me not much, luckily. I was a student and it was still a lot for me. But I think my 4 tires were costing as much as 1 tire of my boss who had a big BMW. So yeah, I mean, everything is always, and this is something not to forget. So I would say these are the 2 tips I have like lessons. First, registers your goods, because you might get warranty extensions, which are, as you could see, very valuable, 500 euro. And secondly, when you buy expensive things, don't forget the maintenance after is also quite expensive. And this makes me think, actually now it's something I've been thinking a bit, whether or not I will maybe think about buying also a second watch, maybe something less fragile, because I have still 2 small kids, I'm still running around, and I will see when I pick it. I hope they will explain to me what went wrong. I'm curious to know if it somehow will give me a new warranty for 1 year or something like that, if they change something. I'm not sure. But so yeah, it made me think whether I should buy maybe also a bit of a cheaper watch for everyday life until the kids are a bit older. Let's see what they will say when I will go pick it. And yeah, so that was the little update. I will send back this little paper. I don't have to pay now. I have to pay when I will pick the watch. But I think he said it takes normally a few weeks. It's not extremely long, so hopefully I will have it before the end of the month. And yeah, and that's it for the update. And then I guess we will see each other again when I will go picking my watch.
Little watch update. So I received a message yesterday from Cartier saying that my watch was ready for pickup. So yay, I'm quite happy. So we're now mid of May and I left it end of March. So it's been around 6 weeks, which is quite common for reparation or work or things like that, in the luxury industry at least. So no big surprise there. The message said to make an appointment, to call the boutique, which is what I just did. And I had a lovely lady on the phone. And I asked about the appointment, but she told me that no need of an appointment. I can just come by. And, yeah, I told her I can do that, but I'm not really willing to do the queue for 2 hours outside of the boutique. And she said, first she confirmed that indeed Friday afternoon and Saturdays are very busy time. So Friday afternoon too, actually, not just weekends. And so if I come at another time, then it should be no problem. And she also said that even if there are a few people waiting outside, if I just come to pick the watch and nothing else, so of course also checking that everything's fine with the reparation, but not trying other products or anything else from Cartier, then I can tell the security guy by the door that I just come for picking a watch, because it's very fast, and then normally they let you in front of the queue. So let's see how that will go when I will go there. Yeah, and it's very interesting because you can show, actually, you can even confirm to security guard you come for your watch, because you also have to bring with you the paper, like the confirmation that you left your watch for reparation. If you've lost it, it's not the end of the world, but it's better if you have it. And you need to bring an ID with a picture of you, which I think makes complete total sense. Because imagine I would lose the paper, then anyone could just pick the paper and go to Cartier and grab my watch. So yeah, no, you need an ID with a picture. So that's pretty good. If you cannot go in person, you have then to write something for kind of an authorization for someone else to pick the watch from you with a copy of your ID and all this kind of information. So that's it. So I'm quite looking forward to it. I will go in a few days to pick it. And yeah, let's see. It will be nice to have my watch back. I've been missing it a bit.
So I'm on my way to go pick the watch. I have a little bag, coat, blouse, little red shoes. And yeah, let's go pick the watch. Yeah, I'm so happy to have her back finally.
Guys, I just got my watch back and I need to film that because I don't know, I'm just so happy to have it back. It feels like I got a part of me back. Hi guys, I'm back home and this concludes this whole repairing my watch adventure. It is here, back on my wrist, working again. I am so happy. It was like something was really missing, and I'm also very happy because they gave it back to me in this little pouch, which is super convenient. So inside there is this, so where you can put your watch on it, and then you can slide it inside, and this is
perfect for like traveling or just storing it everyday life, because so far I had only this huge box from Cartier, and now I have this super mega practical little pouch. So I am very happy about that too. It was like not expected, but great. They also serviced it, they also polished it and so on, removed a few scratches, and so yeah, here it is, like new, you know, and I'm very happy. I asked also what was the problem, you know, if there's a way I can maybe avoid this happening too much in the future, and they told me apparently they did not write down, they did not really find something particular. What he told me is often if you let the watch and you're not gonna wear it for a long time, to still regularly I don't know, reload the mechanism. I don't know how it's supposed to work, because it's movement watch, right? There's no battery inside. And so he said, if you're not going to wear it for a long time, then regularly do that. It's not so good when they stay for a very long time without being used. And in my case, towards the end of my pregnancy and everything, I stopped wearing it because it was not so comfortable. And after I gave birth, I also did not wear it for several weeks, I think even months. I think I did not wear it for several months. And then I started wearing it again. And it was kind of working, but it's true that it's from that time that it started having problem, and then it only got worse and worse. So yeah, they said that could very well be the issue. Let's see. Good thing is it has again a 2-year warranty now that it's been serviced for the mechanical parts inside. So let's see if something happens again now, and so maybe there is another problem underlying or whatever, then I can bring it and it will be free of cost, because it was not particularly cheap. But you know, now she looks nice and pretty again. And yeah, also little feedback. I did go so on Friday morning, I think it was around 11, and there was no one. I mean, no one. There were people in the shop, but there were no queue, and I did not have to wait long. I waited maybe 2 minutes. So it was perfect from that point of view, the experience. And so yeah, so that's it. That concludes. If you have any question, maybe there's things I forgot to say, or whatever, you want to know something, please don't hesitate. You can always ask in the comment section below. And yeah, then that's it. And I will see you in the next video in case you have not seen it. And if you enjoyed this little repairing my watch vlog, you can of course subscribe to my channel by clicking there. Bye guys.